Hello guys, we have a question here that says the velocity v and time graph of a body in a straight line motion is shown in the figure. We have a graph here which is in a straight line motion that shows the velocity and time graph of a body in a straight line. Okay, we have a point here that is at 4.333 seconds, and the total distance covered by body in 6 seconds is, we have to find the total distance covered by body is, which is in 6 seconds. Okay, so let's move into the solution. Here we have a graph. We divided the graph into certain shapes. Okay, so yeah, so the distance covered by the body is equal to area under the graph. Okay, so we just apply the formula here, that is half. 4 is the distance, then of 13.13 by 3 here is the factorization form of, is our factor form of, like numerator and denominator form of 4.3333. okay, and plus 1. Then we write this from the graph, like the area covered by graph is this. Okay, 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 13 by 3 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 6 subtracted by 13 by 3 multiplied by 2. When we solve this, we get 2 multiplied by 16 by 3 plus 5 by 3, and after that we get 37 by 3 meter. Okay, so the area, so the distance covered by the body in 6 seconds is 37 by 3 meters. Thank you.